You are going to love the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, towing package, trailer brake controller, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, trailering package. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.